with each, I got this from Sweetwater. They always send you candy, so if you ever, got a desire for candy, Sweetwater's a good place to order from. Let me get this out of the box. Now I know I put the GoFundMe for a Martin, but actually I decided on the Taylor. So I went ahead and went with the Baby Taylor, as you can see. I just prefer the sound from what I've experienced, and I think it's going to work out quite well. It's a great travel size, easier for me to get around with, because traveling with a standard size guitar can be, especially with a hard case, can be really difficult. You ready? Here we go. Ooh, look at that. It's like Christmas morning, huh? All right. Look at that beautiful bag it comes in. Isn't that nice? All right. I'm so excited. All right, let's see. I got to open it now. Okay. Look how great travel that is. Perfect. Excellent. Perfect for travel. Okay. Feel like it's going to have one of those noises when you open it, you know? Ooh, beautiful. And I got it from Sweetwater because they do a 55-point inspection. They also give you the guitar maintenance guide. Smell the wood and everything. Look at that. Can you see that? Wow. Isn't that pretty? It's got a nice round back, beautiful neck to it. Wow, let me see here. The neck is perfectly straight, looks great. Smell of mahogany. It's just fresh out of the factory, you could tell. Let's see if it's in tune. Nope, so I gotta get it in tune. I gotta get my tuner. I didn't get the one with the electronics because it's not necessary since this is for teaching. So I'm gonna magically whisk my hand around to get a tuner to miraculously, magically pop in my hand. And here we go. Bing, look at that. See how good that was? All right. Thanks to my assistant in back, Pat, I'm gonna tune it up real quick. New strings. Tone sounds great. Wow, how's that sound, huh? So what do you think? I think that's pretty bitchin', don't you? I'm sure the strings need to be worked out, but once again, thank you all very much. I love all you guys. It's great. It's going to work out excellent for me, for my teaching, and I hope to prosper and continue doing what I'm doing. Until I see you all again, this is Mario. Thank you very much.